Hi and welcome to this first video just to help you in installing and starting with QGIS, a piece of geospatial software, which we'll be using during the module to carry out different spatial analysis of various forensic data. So first things first, you need to identify what type of operating system you've got on your laptop or desktop. So a lot of people know this off by heart, but in case you don't, the easiest way to find out is to open up your file directory like this. And if you right click on this PC and then on properties, you can see I'm running Windows 10 and it's a 64-bit operating system. Okay. If you have any trouble with this in class, if you just come to me and I'll show you how to identify that. Next, you need to open up the software for download. So it's Quantum GIS, QGIS. If you search for that, you should get a page come up in your search results like this. And you're looking to open the QGIS project page. When you click on this, it will open up this page. I've prepared this earlier just to save the time it takes to open the page on my slightly poor internet link. And you can move to the Download Now button. So this is where some people can get a little bit confused. So the easiest option to take is to download the standalone installer. And that is what I would recommend for you on this module at the moment. As a student as well, I would tend towards you using the long-term release repository. This just means, as it suggests in brackets, the most stable version. So the newer version can have more options, but it might be a little bit buggy. QGIS is a piece of freely usable software, can be a bit buggy anyway, so it does make sense to tend to go with the more stable version if you can. So for me, I would pick the 64-bit long-term release repository version and install that. If you're in any doubt on a PC, then the 32-bit version will work on 64-bit computers as well, but it's just not going to work as effectively as if you pick the right version. Okay, so that will download the package for installing, then just right-click and start to install that and click through the menus. We won't do that in this video because it's pretty boring to watch someone download some software, and also because it is very straightforward at that point. In the next video, we'll look at what happens when you open QGIS for the first time. Okay, hope that helps.